You've just installed another cool app that will save you time and money. It's the one that will allow you to finally stop fighting with your information and tasks. It's that all-in-one, change your life kind of app, right? So why the heck are you still hanging around in the App Store then, huh? It's cause this app doesn't cover all your expectations, does it? To make things worse, you already have so many other apps filled with disconnected information scattered all over the place. So let me ask you, wouldn't you like to know how many apps you should use, which apps are the best for you and your use case, and how to create a process that allows you to look for useful apps? Well, you're in the right place. All these questions are about to be answered, cause at the Paperless movement, we empower business professionals like you to get more done with better information management. Every time you install a new app and you think, yes, this is it, this is the one, just know it's probably not. We are surrounded by cool apps that do nothing for us to help us manage our information. At the Paperless movement, we know that you need to handle hundreds of tasks and several projects that will make you achieve your goals and move forward in life. The vast amount of information you need to collect for each project can become overwhelming and even paralyzing. But don't worry, we've been there too. And we found a way to cut through the noise. Let's discover how in this video. Now, let's get you some answers. How many apps should you use? The short answer, as few as possible. Think about it like this. The more apps you have, the more complicated your life will be. Bet on digital minimalism. Less is more. Right now, inspect all the apps you have and ask yourself two simple questions. Do I really need this app? If you hesitate when asked, remove it. Can I do this process with another app I already have? If so, remove it. Always do your best to identify redundant applications. Don't keep apps that contain duplicated or scattered information in them. Example, if you use 3 note-taking apps, Apple Notes for handwritten notes on your iPad, Evernote for your notes on your Android smartphone, and OneNote on your Windows machine. Try to find a way to remove 2 of the 3. At the end of this process, you'll have reduced the number of apps you have to deal with, as well as the amount of scattered information. The only reason to keep all 3 of them is that if you have defined 3 different information types for each app, so you can use each app individually as a single source of truth for this type of information. For example, I use Apple Notes for temporary notes due to the quick and easy accessibility to just jot things down, and Evernote to scan my documents for long-term storage due to its great PDF content search capabilities. OneNote, on the other hand, doesn't do either very well, so I don't use it. However, this might be a completely different choice for you if you are working in a Microsoft environment. That's just an example on how to look at the different tools when it comes to their feature sets. Just reconsidering if you have only one app for one type of information, and removing the others will reduce your scattered information and therefore will have a huge impact on your life. You'll start to relax and regain peace of mind knowing where the information you captured can be found. Question 2. Which app is the best for you? Always pay attention to whom the app has been designed for. If it's an app for scientific research and you're an overwhelmed manager, it probably won't work for you as a knowledge management solution, as it might even add more friction to your setup than it helps. Do some research beforehand, read a few testimonials, gather opinions, and watch a video or 2 on our channel, where we also review productivity tools from a business professional's point of view. Gathering information for 15 to 20 minutes can save you hours of headache just by deciding not to bring a useless or redundant app into your life. Create a process that allows you to look for useful apps. An optimized process allows you to reduce the number of apps you have immediately. In fact, when you have a well-designed and optimized workflow, apps no longer become important. You can switch tools much easier, and you'll always stay in control of your information and tasks. To help you set up your own workflows and define processes, we've created a framework called iCore. iCore allows you to quickly move from information to action. and consists of 4 stages named Input, Control, Output and Refine. Each stage will help you define what type of app can or cannot work for you in context with your overall productivity system. If you want to learn more about how iCore works, we have created a video for you called How to Manage Your Information and Tasks that will help you to get more organized in no time. Let's recap. Reduce the number of apps you have to as few as possible. Choose apps that are focused on your profile, work style and type of work. Think in processes, optimize them and then look for apps that cover them all. Take a look at iCore, we've done a lot of the work for you already, condensing everything down to the simplest process possible. I'm 100% sure it's a fantastic first step for you to take, improve your life. And as always, I'll catch you up next time.